Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today, I just want to share with you my experience at Luxent Hotel along Timog Avenue lang to sa Quezon City. So I stayed here from December 9 to 11 and I'll be showing you everything from the room, the lobby, amenities, and dining experience. Specifically the breakfast buffet hanggang dun sa little details kung bakit maganda yung stay natin. So if you're planning a trip to Quezon City or just looking for a place to relax, para sa inyo tong vlog na to. So let's start with a beautiful lobby of Luxent Hotel. Upon entering the lobby, you'll immediately feel the holiday vibes dahil sa kanilang napakalaking Christmas tree. The lobby is spacious and elegant with a bar. There's also a lounge for waiting and the front desk for check-in. Perfect spot to relax while waiting for your room. Now let's head to the elevator and check out my room. Here we are in room 1232. Pagpasok, you just need to tap your keycard and insert it into the slot to power the room. The bathroom is the first thing you'll notice. It's clean and very modern. It has a hot and cold shower. Also a large mirror above the sink. Meron din tayo sa side na hair dryer. And then a toilet with a bidet, definitely convenient for your stay. Inside this cabinet naman, you'll find some useful items. Meron hangers, safety deposit box, a flashlight for emergencies, and an extra pillow. Maganda to para pag marami kayong dalang damit, ma-organize nyo siya agad. In audio. So moving on to the bedroom, you have two beautifully decorated twin beds. The room is cozy and well lit. Meron ding smart TV for entertainment. And also a working desk that's great for getting things done and a large window offering a great view of the city. Now let me show you something unique here at Luxent Hotel. Just outside every floor, there is this high-tech water refilling station. It is very eco-friendly and convenient. Pwede mong i-refill lang yung mga bottles mo anytime, which is perfect for staying hydrated during your stay. And then, kinakount din niya yung mga disposable plastic bottles na nai-eliminate niya because of this. The next morning, I headed down to the ground floor for breakfast. The staff greeted me warmly and asked for my room number before letting me in for verification. Grabing amazing ng buffet breakfast dito. They offer a variety of choices from Filipino breakfast like tapa, tocino, may garlic rice din. Bukod sa plain rice to international options like bacon, fried potatoes, and an omelette station where you can customize your eggs. There's also a salad and a fruit section, a noodle section, Western breakfast staples, and a dessert station with brewed coffee and different juices. There's something for everyone. Now, let's check out the amenities dito sa 17th floor. Una nating puntahan is yung gym. Now, this gym is spacious, fully equipped with treadmills, dumbbells, and other fitness equipment. It's a great spot to stay fit during your stay, lalo na kapag may marami kayong extra time. Next to it is the fun and fit area. Here you can enjoy air hockey, mayroon din tayong ping pong, darts, billiards, archery, a basketball shooting games, and even a foosball table. May activities para sa lahat, kids and adults alike. So I even tried shooting some hoops while I was there. Last but not the least is their pool area, which is very beautiful. The pool is very long and perfect for a relaxing swim. Meron din ditong play area for toddlers and a bar beside the pool for drinks and snacks. It's a great spot to unwind after a busy day. My overall experience at Luxent Hotel was great, kaso may isa lang talagang downside, no? My room wasn't clean even after na nag-inform ako sa front desk through call. Hindi rin na-refill ang mga consumables like toiletries, yung mga ganun, yung mga coffees, teas. So I had to follow up several times bago ma-refill. Despite that, the hotel's amenities, comfort, and location make it worth considering. I highly recommend for a staycation or a business trip in Quezon City. So that's it for my Luxent Hotel review. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this helps you decide if the hotel is right for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hotel reviews. See you in the next video.